Hello students, today our topic is organogenesis. Before organogenesis, we have studied about placenta formation. इससे पहले हम लोग क्या पढ़ चुके हैं? We have studied about placenta formation, and after the formation of placenta, embryo takes nutrition from mother blood and it grows. I have already told you that when placenta is formed or during implantation, means जब blastocyst implant होती है, then side by side the inner cell mass develops into, or inner cell mass differentiates into 3 layers. Inner cell mass, क्योंकि जो हमारी trophoblast थी, trophoblast that is embedded and this is called implantation, और implantation के बाद क्या बन जाता है? Placenta बन जाता है. Side by side inner cell mass of blastocyst that differentiates and form 3 layers. The outer layer is called as ectoderm, middle layer is called mesoderm, and the inner layer is called as endoderm. So inner cell mass differentiates into 3 layers: ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. These 3 layers, they give rise to different tissues and organs of embryo. So this process, the process of formation of tissues and organs in embryo, is called as organogenesis. Organogenesis begins in 3rd week of pregnancy. In 3rd week of pregnancy, the embryo starts forming organs and tissues. And as the organogenesis starts, the embryo is called as fetus. Means after, with the beginning of organogenesis, or we can say कि जैसे ही और tissues का formation start होता है, then embryo is said to be as fetus. Embryo को हम क्या कहेंगे? Now embryo is said to be as fetus. It will not be called as embryo, it will be called as fetus. ठीक, तो inner cell mass ने क्या बना दी? 3 germ layers बना दी, and these 3 germ layers will give rise to tissues and organs, and this process is called as organogenesis. Organogenesis begins during 3rd week of pregnancy. Here we know that the gestation period, means pregnancy period क्या होता है? That is 9 months. The 9-month period is called as gestation period. In human beings, gestation period is near about 9 months. So here the organogenesis we will study month wise कि किस month में कौन सा organ formation होता है, कौन सा organ develop होता है. After 1st month of pregnancy, just after 1st month of pregnancy, embryo's heart is formed. Heart of embryo is formed after 1st month of pregnancy, and heartbeat of embryo can be heard with the help of a stethoscope. Then by the end of 2nd month, limbs and digits are developed. क्या बन जाते हैं 2nd month तक? Limbs and digits are developed by the end of 2nd month of pregnancy. Limbs and digits develop by the end of 2nd month of pregnancy. Then after 3rd month, at the end of 3rd month, almost most of the major organ systems are developed. Major organ systems, most of the major organ systems are developed by the end of 3rd month of pregnancy. Is it clear? तो first month में क्या हुआ? After 1st month, heart is formed, embryo heart is formed. By the end of 2nd month, limbs and digits are developed, and by the end of 3rd month, most of the major organ systems are developed. And these 3 months, the time period of these 3 months is called as first trimester. Means first 3 months they are called as first trimester. 9-month gestation period is divided into 3 trimesters. First trimester, first 3 months, then next 3 months in second trimester, and then last 3 months that are in third trimester. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया क्या, फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर. ड्यूरिंग फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर fetus is very sensitive to drugs, to medicines, to certain chemicals, and also to certain pathogens or infections. Means this time period, the first trimester, is very sensitive for fetus, and mother has to be very careful during first trimester. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया हमारा फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर. नाउ कम टू द सेकेंड ट्राइमेस्टर और at the end of 4th month. In 4th month, there is rapid growth of fetus. Very rapid growth occurs during 4th month, and very minor alterations occur in structure. क्योंकि जो भी ऑर्गन्स का फॉर्मेशन स्टार्ट होना था, टिश्यूज का फॉर्मेशन स्टार्ट होना था, वो फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर में स्टार्ट हो गया. अब मेनली 4th मंथ में क्या होती है, रैपिड ग्रोथ. Minor changes, minor alterations occur in structure. Mainly there is rapid growth. Then during 5th month, hair appear on head. Hair appear on head during 5th month. 5th month में hair appear होने start हो जाते हैं head पर, and during 5th month fetal movements start. Fetal movements start during 5th month. During 5th month, the fetus that starts movements, and these movements they continue till parturition, and they should be continue till parturition. If there is normal condition, सब कुछ normal है, then fetal movements should be there. और fetal movements कब start होते हैं, during 5th month. Then at the end of 6th month, after 6th month, the body of fetus gets covered with fine hairs. Body get covered with fine hair. Whole of the body that is covered with fine hair. After 6 months, eyelids separate and eyelashes also develop by the end of 6th month. After 6 months, fine hair, the body, whole of the body that get covered with fine hair, eyelids separate हो जाती हैं, and eyelashes they also develop. So ये हमारा क्या complete हो गया, that is the second trimester. उससे पहले हमारा ये क्या था, that is first trimester, and this one is second trimester. Second trimester तक आते आते almost all the organs they are developed, all the organ systems are developed. Then in third trimester there is rapid growth. Again means 7th, 8th and 9 months. Means that is the, ये क्या हो गया हमारा, third trimester. During third trimester, fetus that rapidly grows and it is fully formed. And after the full complete development, you can hear full development here in third trimester, and after the full development of fetus, there will be parturition. It gives signals for parturition at the end of 9th month. Is it clear? तो ये हमारा हो गया पूरा organogenesis. First trimester is very very important because all the main organs and organ systems are developed during first trimester, and fetus is very sensitive during this trimester. Second trimester में growth होती है and some other structures also develop, and during the third trimester there is again rapid growth and it reaches by the end of 9th month. fetus is fully formed. Is it clear? So this is about organogenesis. Thank you.